Yeah, we get that question quite often, is, well, I have an existing home. What do I do on the interior if I'm going to apply a clear coat or if I just want to clean it? Obviously, inside can be a little more difficult. I mean, you got furnishings and electric and things. And so what I usually tell people, obviously you can get up and sand the interior, but a lot of people aren't going to take the time and effort and labor to sand an entire interior. So sometimes you can take something like log wash and just have some, maybe a clean rag and
Yep.
a clean bucket of water and just do, I guess, what we call a tack cloth method.
Yep.
Just wipe it down, rinse it, wipe it down, rinse it, just to make sure there's no surface contaminants or dust on the logs.
And one thing you can also do is you can also take your shop vac with a brush attachment and try to vacuum some of the dust off that way. But this also kind of goes back to originally, say you're the one that built the house and you don't want to put anything on the inside to keep that natural color. Well, if you go with one of our interior clear products like acrylic, clear shield, or sure shine, number one, it's not going to yellow the wood like whatever you buy from the big box stores that may end with the word wax or scapes or something that I can't say because for legal reasons. Anyways, that also helps alleviate dust. So if you have some kind of coating on the wall, it makes it 100 times easier to clean. So keep that in mind as well when you're getting your logs clean, you're thinking about redoing your inside, or you're getting ready to do your new build, or you bought a home that you're trying to rehab and make it your own. Just keep that in mind. While the cost may seem great up front, longevity-wise, it's going to make your life a heck of a lot easier in the cleaning purposes.